Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to update your DualSense controller on a Mac in 2026. Now, if your controller has bugs or connection issues, updating the firmware can definitely fix it. Now, before even updating, your controller must be connected correctly so that your Mac can detect it. So you need to first of all use a USB-C cable to connect your DualSense to your Mac. Avoid Bluetooth for the updates and make sure that you use a wired connection only. Now you need to press the PS button once to power it on and make sure that your Mac recognizes the controller. Sony is going to provide an official tool for updating DualSense firmware on Mac. So you can simply download and install DualSense wireless controller firmware updater. So you can open the updater app, then connect your controller via USB. After that, click on the option of update available or update now. When it is prompted, then wait until the update completes. So you can try this method and see if it is working properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.